In this video, we're going to repair this door. Right now the door is sticking on this side. So if we close this, you can, and then open it, you can hear it's like sticking. You hear that? Like, yeah, so it's not working well, and you can kind of tell right there. It's like fully connected to the frame, and as we go down, you see that it's much wider. And same thing on this side. You can see that on the top it's much wider, and at the bottom it's much smaller. And you can also notice when usually things like this happen, you see there's like some kind of crack here. It looks like it's the frame or the trim is kind of separating. So I think to fix this, we just need to kind of tighten up this area here, and then push that hinge back a little bit. And so there's a little trick that we can do to push that hinge back. First, we're going to support it with more screws or nails, etc., so that this gap right here will disappear. And then we're going to do our trick to push that hinge back. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna drill some pilot hole because I'm going to be putting a screw in here, and I don't want the head to be sticking out. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to just make the hole bigger. I'm not drilling all the way through. I'm just drilling enough for the head to go through, to sit inside, and then we can fill it later with wood filler and paint it. All right, so after that's done, we're using a wood screw about 1 1/4 inch long, and a screwdriver. Okay, make sure they're sunken in. Okay, so right now the door is no longer sticking. It's actually good, it's loose. And this side is a little bit pulled back because of the 2 screws that we put in. But as you can see, it's still very tight here. Even though it's already not rubbing, but it's still too tight. So what I'm going to do is still adjust this hinge back a little bit by knocking it using a hammer slowly. And to do that, I'm going to unhinge that, and then I'm going to knock only the part of the hinge that is connected to the frame. Turn it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is try to knock this top part, middle part, and the bottom part of the hinge after I unhinge the pin. These 3 parts are the one that is connected to the frame. And if I can move this a few millimeter back, that means that the door will be pulled back to the left. So it's going to create more gap over here. Alright, so right now I'm going to try to insert this pin, and I'm going to push this side here. I'm going to wedge it because right now it's super tight. So I'm going to put a screwdriver here and I'm going to try to wedge it as I'm putting this in, and hopefully, yeah, so I made some difference, but it's not enough. It's only like 1 millimeter difference. So I need to hit it some more so that it can go a little bit more to the left. Okay. Turn off.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.